Hello, welcome to my channel Intellectual Media. I am passionate about sharing knowledge and insights on cash and receivables. Today I will be presenting on the topic of cash and receivables. In this video we will explore the meaning of cash and receivable or a brief description for those topics. So if you are curious about cash and receivable, stay tuned and let's dive right in. What is cash? Today we'll discuss about what is cash. Before determining cash, what is financial asset? What is financial asset? So financial asset is also known as a financial instrument. So financial assets are assets that are represent a complement to future cash flows or ownership to future cash flow, or rather than physical item. They are typically monetary in nature and can be traded or converted into cash. For example, bank deposits, bonds, or stocks or shares. Account receivables are financial assets. So financial assets are assets that are represent money ownership claims or the right to receive cash in the future. So financial asset, also known as financial instrument. Financial instrument means an agreement or a contract that gives rise to a financial asset of one entity and a financial liability or equity instrument of another entity. That means it is any agreement that involves the transfer of money or financial value between parties. Those financial instruments like that of cash, bonds, shares, loans and receivables. So financial instrument also can be equity based or debit based. Equity based means there is ownership like shares, debit based like bonds or loans. They can be traded in financial market or held by privately. So financial instrument means in short and precise way a contract representing a financial asset for one party and a financial liability or equity for another. So financial asset also known as financial instrument. So in all financial assets are financial instruments, but not all financial instruments are a financial assets for everyone. It depends on the party. In general, they have its own relationship between financial asset and financial instrument. Every financial asset arises from financial instrument. For example, if you buy a bond, the bond itself is the financial instrument or a contract between you and the issuer. For you, the buyer, the bond is a financial asset because it gives you the right to receive interest and principal. For the issuer, it is a financial liability because they must pay you back. Also, financial asset and financial instrument has its own relationship. So financial instruments describe the contractual relationship. Otherwise, financial assets are what you own or hold as a result of that instrument. So financial instrument, so any contract that gives rise to financial asset of one entity and the financial liability or equity interest for another party. Those financial assets that can be classified under financial asset and non-financial asset. Financial asset like that of cash, loans and receivables, investments and debt securities, investments in equity security. Whereas non-financial assets is like that inventory, prepaid expense, property, plant and equipment, intangible assets are non-financial. That means cannot be changed into short period of. So what is cash? Cash is the most liquid asset, the most liquid financial asset, the standard medium of exchange, and is a base of measuring and accounting for all other items can be cash. A current asset. Cash is also a current asset. Money you have now and can use immediately. ስለዚህ እጃችሁ ላይ ያለ ገንዘብ እና አሁን ልትጠቀሙት የምትችሉት በአጭር ሰዓት ሊቀየር ሞስት ሊኩዊድ የሆነ አሴት ከሆነ ከረንት የአሁን አሴት የአሁን ገንዘብ ንብረት ከሆነ ይሄ ከረንት አሴት ካሽ እንለዋለን። like that of coins, currencies, available funds on deposit that at the bank, money orders, certified checks, cashier's check, personal check, bank drafts and saving accounts are also example. How to report in cash? So cash equivalent, there is a cash equivalent. So short-term highly liquid investments that are both redeemable, convertible to cash and near to their maturity date. That means present insignificant risk of change in value becomes there is a cash reporting. Like that of treasury bills, commercial paper and money market funds become there is a cash equivalent. They can be in short period of time. They can be changed within or converted into cash insignificant within its maturity period within insignificant risk of changes. Like that of treasury bill means a short term debt instrument issued by government or money. ለምሳሌ መንግስት ገንዘብ ይፈልግ ትሬጀሪ ብር ሬት ይሸጣል ማለት ነው። የ28 ቀን የ30 ቀን የ90 ቀን የ60 ቀን and also there is commercial paper short term issued by corporation for immediate finance. እነዚህ ደግሞ ኮርፖሬሽኖች immediate finance ሲፈልጉ የሚያገኙት immediate finance የሚያደርጉት ይሄ ኮመርሻል ፔፐር እንለዋለን። ኮመርሻል ፔፐር so during reporting cash there is a restricted cash ለምንድን ነው restricted የሚደረገው ብለን assume ካደረግን there is unrestricted, there is the first changes, there is segregate restricted cash from regular cash. The first one is there is plant expansion. ስለዚህ ድርጅቱ ፕላንት ኤክስፓንድ የሚያደርግ ከሆነ ድርጅቱ የሚያስፋፋ ከሆነ during plant expansion there is restricted cash restricted እናደርጋለን። ሌላኛው retirement of long term debt የረጅም ጊዜ ብድር ክፍያ መጨረሻችን እነዚህ በሙሉ restricted። ሌላኛው compensating balance, there is compensating balance means ባንክ አካውንት ውስጥ ለተጠቃሚ የማይጠቀም ተያይዞ የሚኖር ገንዘብ ነው። ኮምፖንሴት ባንኩ በተቀመጠ አካውንት የሚያስፈልገው የተጠቃሚ ክፍያ ላይ መጠቀም የማይችል የገንዘብ መጠን ኮምፖንሴት ማካካሻ ተብሎ የሚቀመጠው ይሄ እነዚህ በሙሉ ሪስትሪክትድ ይሆናሉ። ፕላንት የምናስፋፋ ከሆነ መተካት የማንችላቸው መተካት እቅድ የሚያስፈልገው የባንክ ገንዘብ መተካት የምንችልባቸው ሁኔታዎች ሲኖሩ እነዚህን ኮምፖንሴቲንግ ባላንስ እነዚህ whereas there is bank overdraft. So bank overdraft means there is a company writes a check for more than the amount in its cash account. እንደው ባንኮቹ ምን ያደርጋሉ? ቼክ ይጽፋሉ። ቼኩ ምንድነው? ከካሽ አካውንታቸው በላይ የሆነ አማውንት ካለ ይሄ bank overdraft ነው። that means bank overdraft is a facility provided by a bank that allows an account holder to withdraw more money than what is available in their account up to approved limit. Essentially it is a short term loan from the bank that covers a temporary shortage of funds, generally reported as a current liability and offset against other cash accounts only when the accounts are within the same bank. So the account's balance can go below zero up to the agreed overdraft limit. Interest is also usually charged on the overdrawn amount, and it also helps business and individuals manage short-term cash flow problems. For example, if your bank account is 500 birr, but you wrote a check for 700, the bank can cover the extra 200 birr under an overdraft facility. You will owe the bank 200 plus interest. So bank overdraft means a temporary borrowing facility allowing you to withdraw more than your account balance. ከአካውንት ባላንሳችሁ ላይ ባንክ ላይ የምትበደሩበት መንገድ ባንክ ኦቨርድራፍት እንለዋለን። ባንክ ኦቨርድራፍት ነው። So management, there is a cash control. How to control cash? management face two problems in accounting for cash transaction. They establish proper control to prevent any unauthorized transactions by offers or employees. And the second is provide information necessary to properly manage cash on hand and cash transactions. ስለዚህ የመጀመሪያው unauthorized transaction ከድርጅቱ ውጭ ኦፊሰሮች ወይም ኤምፕሎይዎች ወጪ የሚጠይቁበት ከሆነ ይህን ኮንትሮል ለማድረግ unauthorized ትራንዛክሽኖችን ኮንትሮል ለማድረግ ካሽ ኮንትሮል ያስፈልጋል። ሌላኛው ፕሮቫይድ ኢንፎርሜሽን that is necessary for to properly manage cash on hand እጃችን ላይ ያለውን ካሽ on hand ላይ ማኔጅ ለማድረግ cash control is very fundamental. So using bank accounts control cash accounts to obtain desired control objectives. A company can vary the number and the location of banks and the type of accounts. There are type of bank accounts. The first one is there is general checking account or principal bank account. የፕሪንሲፓል የድርጅቱ ፕሪንሲፓል ባንክ አካውንት ይሄ ጀነራል ቼኪንግ አካውንት እንለዋለን። Another is collection float, difference between the amounts on deposit according to the company's records and the amounts of collected cash according to the bank records. ይሄ ልዩነት ነው። ዲፖዚት ያደረግን አማውንት ኦፍ ዲፖዚት ካምፓኒው የመዘገበውን አማውንት ኮሌክትድ ካሽ አኮርዲንግ ቱ ባንክ ሪከርድስ በባንኩና በድርጅቱ መካከል ያለው ዲፈረንስ የኮሌክሽን ፍሎት እንለዋለን። ሉክ ቦክስ አካውንት የሚባለው ሬንትስ ኦን ሎካል ፖስት ኦፊስ ቦክስ ኤንድ አውቶራይዝ ሎካል ባንክ ቱ ፒክ አፕ ዘ ሪሚታንስ ሜልድ ቱ ዘ ቦክስ ነምበሩ የሪሚታንስ አማውንት ፒክ የሚያደርገውን ሎካል ባንኩ የሚመዘግበውን አውቶራይዝ የሚያደርግበትን መንገድ ሉክ ቦክስ አካውንት እንለዋለን። ኢምፕረስድ ባንክ አካውንት የሚባላል ስፔሲፊክ አማውንት ኦፍ ካሽ አቬይላብል ፎር ሊሚትድ ፐርፐስ ለተወሰኑ ሊሚትድ ለሆኑ ፐርፐዞች ውስጥ የምንከፍተው አካውንት ኢምፕረስድ ባንክ አካውንት ነው። ሶ ዘ ኢምፕረስድ ባንክ አካውንት የሚባለው እነዚህ ፒቲ ካሾችን የምንመዘግብበት ነው። ፒቲ ካሾች ሶ ኢምፕረስድ ፒቲ ካሽ እንዴት ይመዘግባል? ሃው ቱ ፔይ ስሞል አማውንት ፎር ሚስላኖስ ኤክስፔንስ ፈርስት ዋን ዜር ኢዝ ሪኩዌስት ትራንስፈር ኦፍ 300 ቱ ፒቲ ካሽ 300 ፒቲ ካሽ ትራንስፈር ቢደረግ ፒቲ ካሽ ኮስተዲያን ኦብቴንስ ሳይንድ receipt for each individual to whom she or he pay cash. So how to record the transfer? There is PT cash and there is debit. PT cash and credit within a cash and PT cash record there is cost company's check to replenish the fund. There is supply expense, postage expense, and miscellaneous expense, and cash over and cash short kala. Then finally the amount of total expense can be recorded as debt and cash amount which is recorded in credit. What is cash? Today and also there is a physical protection of cash balance. Cash balance አችን ፊዚካል እንዴት ነው ኮንትሮል እናደርግ እንችል? when company should ምን ማድረግ አለባቸው? ድርጅቶች ምን ማድረግ አለባቸው? when company should minimize their cash on hand እጃቸው ላይ cash on hand ያለውን ሚኒማይዝ ማድረግ መቻል አለባቸው። only have on hand PT cash and current days receipts. Keep funds in valid or safe and locked cash drawer. Transmit each day's receipts to the bank as soon as practicable. And also periodically prove the balance shown in the journal ledger የሚያሳየውን ባላንስ መስራት መቻል አለበት። So there is reconciliation of bank balance is very fundamental to control cash. So schedule explaining any difference between the banks and the company's records of cash. So there is a time lags. So reconciling items like that of deposit in transit, outstanding check, bank charges, and bank credits, and bank of that is deposit in transit means the amount of money deposited by company but not yet reflected on bank statement. Deposit in transit ማለት ድርጅቱ ዲፖዚት አድርጎታል ግን ባንክ ስቴትመንት ላይ ያሳይ because it was mailed after the bank's closing date. ባንኩ ክሎዚንግ ዴቱ ላይ አልመዘገቡም ነው። outstanding checks those are checks that have been issued by company በካምፓኒ ሹ የተደረጉ ናቸው but not yet cashed by the pay ለሚከፈሉ ሰው አልተከፈሉ they are not yet deducted from the bank statement ባንክ ስቴትመንቱ ላይ አልተቀነሰም ማለት ነው። there is not sufficient checks that stands for non-sufficient funds meaning the customer's account did not have any enough fund to cover the check የከስተመር አካውንቱ በቂ ብር ባይኖረው so the bank returned it to the company the company መልስና and the bank deducted amount from company's account ባንኩ ከካምፓኒው አካውንት የሚቀንስበት መንገድ there is incorrect recorded check, that means error ይፈጠራል። companies mistakenly recorded check payment as being larger than its actual was, so this needs to be adjusted downward on the books። ስለዚህ ካምፓኒው ከፍ አድርጎ ሊመዘግብ ይችላል፣ ዝቅ አድርጎ ሊመዘግብ ይችላል። and also there is bank service charge, those are fees charged by the bank for service rendered። ባንኩ አገልግሎት ለሰጠበት የሚቆርጠው ነው። such as maintaining an account and they are not yet recorded on the company's book። እነዚህ በሙሉ ታይም ሌጎችን ስኬጁልድ የሚያደርጉልን ናቸው። after this bank reconciliation እንሰራለን። bank reconciliation እንሰራለን። today's discussion is all about this, but the next we will discuss about how to reconcile banks, how to balance cash control within a bank reconciliation የሚለውን next በሰፊው እናያለን። have a nice time. thank you. like, subscribe and share is a content enhancement for followers. Thank you so much.